Hello friends, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. In this class, we will learn the proof of distance between 2 points. And we will do few examples on how to calculate distance between 2 points. First, you observe I considered 2 points A and B. You see here what I written? Let A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2 are any 2 points in a plane. You observe here, I need to calculate distance between these 2 points. That means I need to calculate AB. Now, what is A? A is x1, y1. What it mean? What is this length? This length is x1. x1 is the perpendicular distance from point to y-axis that we learned in earlier classes. Okay. What is this length? This length is y1. Why this length is y1? As you considered A as x1, y1, that's why this length is x1, this length is y1 as per the definition. And similarly, you observe here, you consider this point as x2, y2. What it mean? It means that this length is x2 and this length is y. Actually, our intention is I want to calculate distance between the points A and B. Now, you draw AC. Draw AC, which is parallel to x-axis. You can observe this diagram. This BC is parallel to y-axis, AC is parallel to x-axis. So the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and it is right angle at C. You please observe this. This full length is x2, correct? This full length is x2. You observe here. What about this full length? This full length is also x2 because this both are parallel and they are equal. This length is x2, this length is also x2, correct? Okay. You see, only this part, please observe. What is this length? This length is x1. Now I am asking you, what is AC? This full length minus this length will give you AC. What is this full length? Full length is x2. Subtract this x1. What is AC? AC is x2 minus x1. Till now from the diagram we understand two things. First one, this triangle ABC is right angle triangle and AC is x2 minus x1. Similarly, we will try to find out what is BC. You see, this full length is what? This full length is y2. This full length is y2. What about the smaller part? This is y1. That means this length is y1. Try to understand. This full length is y2 and the smaller part is y1. From that, what is BC? From this full part, if we remove the smaller part, then you will get BC. So, what is BC? BC is y2 minus y1. So, we got these three things from this diagram. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle, AC is x2 minus x1, BC is y2 minus y1. Okay. So, we know Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is sum of squares of other two sides. I got this statement from Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. What you are trying for? You are trying to find distance between the points A and B. That means you are trying to find AB. Okay. What is AC? You see from figure we got what is AC? AC is x2 minus x1. Here AC square is there. That means x2 minus x1 whole square plus BC square. What is BC? BC is y2 minus y1. Here BC square is there, na? So that is, this is y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So AB square equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Actually what you want? You want AB. So you just apply square root to this on both sides. So I just applied square root on both sides. You look here, this square root, this 2. We know that square root is nothing but whole power 1 by 2. So what you will get here? You will get AB. What is AB? AB is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula to find distance between 2 points. Here a small point you need to know. x2 minus x1 whole square is same as x1 minus x2 whole square. You observe this green color one. What is the difference between these two formulas? Here x2 minus x1 whole square is there. Here x1 minus x2 whole square is there. As we discussed, x2 minus x1 whole square is same as x1 minus x2 whole square. So y2 minus y1 whole square is same as y1 minus y2 whole square. So to find the distance between 2 points, you can use any one of these two formulas. Now we'll take an example to understand how we apply this formula to find distance between 2 points. You observe this is the question. A is 3, 4, B is 1, 2, then find AB. That means they are asking distance between the points A and B. I just taken given points A and B. You consider A as x1, y1 and you consider B as x2, y2. To calculate distance between 2 points, what is the AB formula? The AB formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, you just substitute the values in this formula. x2 minus x1. x2 is what? 1 minus x1. x1 is what? 3. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 2. 2 minus 4 whole square. So what you will get? That equal to root over 1 minus 3 is what? 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is what? Minus 2 whole square is 4. 2 minus 4 is what? 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is what? Minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. So distance between these 2 points is root 8. Now we'll see one more example. You observe here, I want to calculate distance between these 2 points. Now this time I'm using this formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. As we discussed, this formula both are same only. So here you take this first point as x1 y1 and you take second point as x2 y2 and you just substitute in the formula. x1 minus x2, x1 is minus 1 minus x2 is minus 2. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2, that is 3 minus 4 whole square. Okay, that equal to square root of, see, minus of minus plus. Minus 1 plus 2. You look here, minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 square is 1 only. Plus 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1 only. So what you will get here, distance between these 2 points is root 2. So in this class, we learn how to derive distance between 2 points formula and we learn how to apply that formula while calculating distance between 2 points. I hope you understand this class. See you soon in the next class. Have a great day. Bye bye.